your first warning weather with meteorologist April Madison.
Good morning. It is just about 20 till 5 and we are seeing still low 60s outside right now, 62 degrees in Tucson. Now, if the winds stay relatively calm as the sun is rising, that number will go down at least a few more degrees before it starts to go up. But it will all depend on the wind, which we are expecting to actually pick up pretty early on today, maybe even as early as 10 o'clock this morning. So we will see right now south to southeast winds at about 10 miles per hour. 93 is what we're going to hit for our high today. So obviously well above the norm of 82 and just 3 degrees shy of the record. So I do think hopefully we will no longer be breaking records today, even though we'll be closer to the record. I think that it's going to stay safe, set back in 1959 at 96. Yesterday, however, was 96 for the high, which broke the record by 2 degrees, putting 2017 back on the record book. So 93 today. Wind will be the big story, not only in Tucson and the southern areas of the valleys, but also the higher elevations. Mount Lemmon, not so much, but Show Low, those types of areas going to see even stronger winds and especially stronger wind gusts. Mount Lemmon today 64 with east winds about 10 to 20 miles per hour. We go to the wind forecast and you can see we're expecting it already by 10 o'clock this morning to be 18 to 19 mile per hour winds in Tucson, 14 to 20 across Sierra Vista and Douglas, and then you start getting up to the higher elevations, even Casa Grande and Phoenix expected to see some pretty strong winds. It's going to stay strong overnight and into your Wednesday early. In fact, we're still talking possibly up to 20 mile per hour winds again overnight into that 10, 11 o'clock time frame tomorrow morning. But then as the day progresses and we get later into the afternoon, that's when the winds finally begin to die down. The reason for this is because of our high pressure very gradually weakening. We don't have a whole lot going on, but you can see on the water vapor just how strong this ridge is based on how far the clouds are moving up and over. So it's beginning to weaken just slightly. I don't think we're going to get any cloud cover or moisture out of it, but we will see at least a few degrees of cooling each and every day as we lead into the weekend. So again, yesterday 96 broke a record. Today 93 coming close to the record, but I think we'll stay just under it. 92 tomorrow, 90 Thursday, and then if not Thursday, then by Friday into the weekend we should definitely get those 80s, hopefully mid 80s by Saturday and Sunday. Big Al?